Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Boost token on Binance Alpha. So Boost token just get list on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. It's very easy, so make sure you watch this video until the end. And first, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. Make sure you have signed in, and then you can search Boost. And you can search and you will find Boost on Alpha here. You can click it, and this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's not really bad because it's not quickly down. And I think if I can make price prediction, I think it can double from this price, but you have to do your own research. This is not financial advice, but yeah, I believe it will be double from this price. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The form is really good, nearly 50 millions. And also you can check their website and their social media. Also you can check the audit here, you can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order. You can place the price here. It's up to you. And you can put the amount here. And then you can choose instant. You can swap your BNB or other token to Boost. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.